In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Dakar Desert Rally fatal error problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution is to clear Desert Rally's cache files and run Epic as admin. To clear Desert Rally's cache files, go to Search and open Run. After opening Run, type %local update in the search bar and click OK. In the folder that opens, we find the Dakar 2 game folder. After finding this folder, right-click on it and delete it. Doing this will not cause any damage to our game files. We have cleared Desert Rally's cache files. Now we are gonna run Epic Games as admin. To do this, we right-click on Epic Games and then click on Open File Location. Then we right-click on Epic Games Launcher and open Properties. Click on Compatibility from the top and then tick Run this program as an admin. Click Apply and OK to save the changes we made. We have set Epic Games to run as admin. This was the first solution. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If not, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to adjust the paging file size. Doing this will make our computer run more smoothly and will free up our RAM. This solution may be a bit complicated, but it will not cause any damage to our computer. If you have any concerns, you can do a little research on the internet. To do this, we go to Search and open Run. Then type sysdm.cpl in the search bar and click OK. After doing this, click Advanced from the top. Then click on Settings in the Performance section. After opening Settings, click Advanced from above. In the Virtual Memory section, click on Change. What we need to do here is to untick Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drivers. After doing this, we select our disk where we installed the game. Then we tick Custom Size. Here we have initial size and maximum size. What we need to write in the initial size section is the 1.5 times the RAM on our computer. In maximum size, we will write 3 times our RAM. Of course, we will write this in megabyte, not in gigabyte. If we don't know our computer's RAM, what we need to do is right-click on the Windows icon. After doing this, we open Settings. After opening Settings, click on System and scroll down. After scrolling down, click About. As you can see here, it says 16 in the installed RAM section for me. This may be different for you. Now we will set initial and maximum size. We will use a calculator because we will calculate. First, we are gonna set the initial size. What we need to do is multiply the RAM on our computer by 124. As you know, 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. That's why we are doing this. After doing this, we multiply the result we find for the initial size by 1.5. Now, we write this result in the initial size section. This may be different for you. You need to write the result you have, not what I wrote. For maximum size, we need to multiply the result we just multiplied by 1.5 by 3. After doing this, we write the result in the maximum size section. After doing this, click Set. Here I got a notification like this, saying that there is not enough space on my disk and the paging file will only grow as much as the free space. You can get this notification if you also do not have space on your disk. Click OK and continue. Then we click OK again. After that, we get a notification that we need to restart our computer. We click OK and continue. Finally, we click Apply and click OK. Now, you can restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to delete and reinstall the game. There may have been a problem installing the game. So you can try to solve the problem by doing a clean install. To delete the game, just click on the 3 dots and then click uninstall. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.